Welcome to the exciting realm of scrap wood projects, where creativity meets sustainability. In this space, you'll discover how to transform overlooked materials into stunning home decor items that not only enhance your living environment, but also promote eco-friendly practices. Scrap wood, often discarded after furniture making or renovations, holds immense potential for crafting unique and beautiful pieces. As we embark on this journey, you'll learn the art of repurposing wood, harnessing your creativity, and developing skills that allow you to create functional art. Whether you're a seasoned in today's world where sustainability is increasingly vital, scrap wood projects offer an ideal solution for those looking to make a positive impact. By repurposing discarded materials, you contribute to reducing waste and promoting a more circular economy. This practice not only benefits the environment, but also resonates with consumers who value eco-conscious choices. Craftsmanship plays a crucial role in this endeavor. Each piece you create tells a story of transformation and creativity. As you dive into the various techniques and ideas for working with scrap wood, you'll find joy in the process of creating something beautiful from what others might see as mere leftovers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of scrap wood creations. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips to ignite your own creative projects. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting ideas and updates. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable insights and innovative concepts. Stay tuned for more, and let's keep crafting together. Scrap wood projects offer a unique opportunity for both creativity and entrepreneurship. Many individuals possess wood remnants from previous projects, renovations, or even discarded furniture. Instead of letting these materials go to waste, they can be transformed into beautiful, functional items that serve a purpose in home decor. This practice not only reduces waste, but also aligns with a growing consumer preference for sustainable and eco-friendly products. By showcasing the artistry involved in these rustic aesthetics continue to dominate home design trends, celebrated for their warmth and charm. Items crafted from scrap wood often embody this aesthetic through natural textures, imperfect finishes, and organic shapes. The character of reclaimed wood, including unique grains, knots, and weathered surfaces, adds a story to each piece. This rustic appeal resonates with consumers who seek to create cozy, inviting spaces in their homes. By tapping into the desire for authenticity and nostalgia, you can position your scrap wood creations as essential elements of stylish home decor. The ability to customize products is a significant advantage in the crafting market. Consumers increasingly favor items that reflect their personal style and preferences. By offering customization options, such as varying sizes, colors, finishes, and designs, you can cater to a diverse audience. This not only enhances the perceived value of each item, but also fosters a deeper connection between the creator and the customer. Personalized items often command higher prices, and satisfied customers are likely to share their experiences, leading to word-of-mouth referrals and repeat business. Sustainability is more than a trend. It's a shift in consumer behavior. Many buyers actively seek out products that minimize environmental impact, and scrap wood projects fit perfectly into this narrative. By repurposing wood that would otherwise end up in landfills, you contribute to a circular economy and promote responsible consumption. Highlighting the sustainable aspects of your work, such as using eco-friendly finishes or non-toxic adhesives, can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Effective marketing is crucial for the success of any business, particularly in the competitive craft industry. Building a strong online presence is essential. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook allow you to showcase your work visually. High-quality images, engaging captions, and storytelling about the materials and processes involved can captivate potential buyers. Furthermore, participating in local craft fairs, markets, and community events can provide direct interaction with customers, allowing you to gather valuable feedback and build relationships. A well-rounded marketing strategy that combines online and quality craftsmanship is a defining factor that separates handmade items from mass-produced products. Attention to detail, precision in construction, and thoughtful finishing techniques contribute to the overall appeal of your creations. Investing time in refining your woodworking skills not only enhances the quality of your products, but also builds your reputation as a skilled artisan. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for well-crafted items that display durability and aesthetic appeal. Engaging with the local community can provide significant benefits for your scrap wood business. Collaborating with other artisans, participating in events, and supporting local causes can help you build a loyal customer base. Community involvement fosters goodwill and can lead to valuable partnerships that enhance your visibility. By positioning yourself as an active member of the community, you create a network of support that can help promote your work. Building relationships with local businesses. Pricing strategies. Determining the right pricing for your scrap wood creations is a nuanced process. Consider factors such as material costs, time invested, and the market demand for similar products. Conducting market research can provide insights into competitive pricing and consumer willingness to pay. It's essential to strike a balance between affordability and profitability. Pricing too low may undervalue your work, while pricing too high may deter potential buyers. Offering a range of products. Staying informed about current trends in home decor allows you to align your projects with evolving consumer preferences. Trends such as minimalism, sustainable living, and the use of natural materials can influence the types of products you create. By incorporating popular elements into your designs, you can ensure that your offerings remain relevant and appealing. Additionally, following industry blogs, attending trade shows, and participating in online forums. As your business grows, consider expanding your product lines to reach different customer segments. Diversifying your offerings can include complementary items or seasonal decorations that appeal to various tastes and occasions. For example, if you specialize in rustic home decor, you might consider introducing items like holiday decorations or outdoor furniture. This expansion not only increases your sales potential, but also allows you to experiment with new designs and materials. By continuously innovating, engaging with your customers fosters loyalty and enhances their overall experience with your brand. Utilizing social media to share behind-the-scenes content, design processes, and customer testimonials creates a sense of community and connection. Encouraging feedback and suggestions allows customers to feel valued and involved in the creative process. Implementing loyalty programs or special promotions for returning customers can further incentivize repeat business. Strong customer Offering workshops or tutorials can create additional income streams while sharing your expertise with others. Teaching people how to work with scrap wood fosters a sense of community and can increase interest in your products. Workshops provide an opportunity for participants to experience your craftsmanship firsthand, potentially converting them into customers. Additionally, educational content such as blog posts or videos can position you as a knowledge. Seasonal events provide excellent opportunities for promoting your scrap wood creations. Holidays, home improvement seasons, and local festivals can be leveraged to showcase your products. Tailoring your marketing strategies to coincide with these events can drive sales and increase visibility. For instance, offering special promotions during the holiday season or creating themed items for specific occasions can attract buyers looking for unique gifts. By utilizing online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own website can expand your reach beyond local customers. These platforms allow you to showcase your creations to a global audience, increasing sales potential. High-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews enhance your product listings, making them more appealing. Additionally, optimizing your listings for search engines can improve visibility and attract more potential buyers. Creating profitable scrap wood projects for stylish home decor is a rewarding journey that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and business acumen. By embracing sustainability, customization, and effective marketing strategies, you can turn discarded materials into sought-after products that enhance homes and generate income. With dedication and innovation, the possibilities are limitless. Thank you for watching our video on scrap wood creations. We hope you found it inspiring and informative, sparking new ideas for your own projects. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to keep up with our latest content, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create more engaging tutorials and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Join our community of creators and let's explore the wonderful world of crafting together. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more exciting projects in the future.